All right, here we go. So if you want to divide this gigantic number 3,692 by 26, you might think you need to know your 26 times tables. And you'd be right. But, luckily you actually do know your 26 times tables, or you know some of them, and you can figure the rest out. So what you don't want to do is try and guess what times 26 equals 3,692. You don't want to do stuff like this. I'm going to guess 139. And then that doesn't work out, so you guess 132 times 26, and that doesn't work out, so you guess something else. That's a pain. You do not want to do that. You'll simply decide that you don't know how to divide, and you'll stop. You want to work smarter than that, right? So let's think about the 26 times tables you know. You know 26 times 10 is 260. You know 26 times 1 is 26. And believe it or not, you actually know 26 times 5. Because if this is 10 groups of 26, and you take 5 groups of 26, you're actually taking half of these. So 5 times the 5 fact is always half of the 10 fact. Half of 260 is 130. All right. So now you've got 3 of the facts down. Let's go back and look at our division problem. How many times can you take 26 out of 3? 0. You know that. How many times, right? How many times can you take 26 out of 36? And now we're going to go look at our table here. 36, well, 1 times 26 is 26. Let's check 2 times 26. What you do here is you think to yourself, what is 2 times 20? That's 40. 2 times 6, that's 12. 40 and 12 are 56. Oh, that's too high. So it's going to be this number right here. It's 1 times 26. We're going to fill in our zeros here and subtract. Okay, so we basically use the distributive property. 2 times 20 was 40. 2 times 6 was 26. And we added them together. You've done that before. All right, so let's go back now and take a look at 109. 109 is going to be near 26 times 5. So let's estimate. It's going to be a little bit less. So let's try 26 times 4. 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 6 is 24. 80 and 24 is 104. So that's pretty close. That was a great estimate. 4. And let's subtract. 9 times minus 4 is 52. So let's go back and take a look here. And I made a mistake, I realized. Let's do this one again. 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 6 is 12. 40 and 12 is 52. So hey, look, there's our answer right there. It's 2 times 26 is 52. Boom, boom. So we only had to work on this fact and this fact, right? These 3 we kind of know mentally already. Certainly we know 10 times, and certainly we know 1 time. And 5 is pretty easy to figure out. 5 times a number is always half of 10 times a number. So when we had these 3 as guidelines, we were able to estimate this one, and we were able to estimate this one. I need 4 as an estimate. I knew it would be close to this number. And 2 as an estimate. I knew it would be close to this number. So using these multiplication facts will help you divide by larger numbers by 2-digit divisors. Okay? Use it, folks.